I don't even fuck with niggas, I just rather chase a check. Man, this shit so crazy, see my idol with a fake protect. I just sent my bitch to Bora Bora, cost me 80 racks. I know one bitch asked me for a flight, but she ain't 80 yet. I'ma hit that road and try to jam it till I make it.
Go to wherever we going, y'all. I kind of want to get this canoe that I seen at Five Below. It was like $20, and it was like a blow-up canoe. You blow it up, put it in the water, blah, 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 blah. So I think I'm going to go get that. And whatever gets me in. If it don't work, I'm going to just take it back. But I think I'm finna go get that because I kind of want that. So, yeah. I'm going to get back to y'all when I get to Five Below. Yeah, y'all, this is not another fishing video, so don't be on here like, oh, she's just going fishing again and don't know what she's doing. Because that's not what's going on. I'm just vlogging. Like, this is a normal vlog about whatever I decided to do today. And fishing just happened to be another strong. To be honest, I'm really just going fishing again just because I brought these worms and I don't want to waste them. Even though it was $4, I still don't want to waste them. I'm trying to get rid of them, and yeah, I'm not going to eat them. You ever watch that movie, How to Eat Fried Worms? I used to love that movie. That movie was so freaking cool. Let me go to my destination and yeah. Y'all might stop to go see my auntie. I ain't seen my auntie in a minute. She a trap baby. So don't judge my lifestyle and the choices I decide to make, the people I decide to be around. Only worry about yourself. Tuesday. It's getting done Tuesday. Let me think. Tuesday. We'll figure out something. Y'all, it done got real and it got messy real fast. I'm trying to hurry up and talk before he get here. So just a little insider. Damn, he right here. Nigga ran. Psych. But never mind. I'm gonna tell y'all when we get there. So it's a group of us going fishing. I'm going fishing with the guys. We're turning this into a vlog with the guys. And every time I turn my head, he would put his head in like I don't see him. Like, nigga, I seen you already. The fuck? Ugly. But so we going fishing with the guys. Y'all always try to jump into the passenger seat because I hate driving. It's like, I always try to jump into the passenger seat because I hate driving. Like, every time I come pick somebody up, baby, when they come outside, I'm going to be in the passenger seat because driving who? Like, I'm passing the pictures in my own vehicle. Y'all don't know why I don't like this sign. I love this sign. I need to come outside more. Y'all ain't gonna lie, I've been in a funk because my friend died. Like, this was my dog. Like, me and Yazzie was like, she was locked up for a minute. When she finally came home, like, when we seen each other, it was just like, yo, yeah. And it was just crazy. I was literally just talking about the girl, like, but yeah, I've been in a funk. Cause that's like, you ever just had like a real friend to like where no matter what happens, no matter what's going on, like that's just your dog. Like even if you fall out with everybody else around them, that's still like your dog. Like it don't matter if I've been going for 3 years, I came back and it was still like I never left with her. So to lose her was just like, I don't even know how I explain it. It was like just unexplainable. Like it was just one of them wake up moments at the same time as one of them like, come on, you gotta get yourself together. Like you feel me? Like yo, I'm fully together, but as far as like being consistent and stuff like that, I kind of like ease off a little bit. So with Yazzie going, it was just like one of them shake backs. Like Come on now, get yourself together, pray, love yourself, love others around you. Like, get motivated, get inspired. Like, do what you got to do for you. You feel what I'm saying? Because when it came to Yachty, she did what she got to do, regardless who liked it, who didn't like it. If she felt it in her heart that it was need to happen, it was gonna happen. Period. Just like that, no questions about it. Like, she would get up, go get it done. Like, you feel what I'm saying? Like, she would start with $0 in a day, end up with 500 plus. Like, it was no limits with her, and that's what I loved about her so much. Like, and she knew that for herself. Like, it was never a time where Yazzie was in a funk, and it showed. You feel what I'm saying? So, yeah, it's time for me to get back into my groove. And finished accepting what the world has to offer. Let me see what this man got from the store. He didn't get me nothing. He didn't never get me shit. Turn in some waters. Typical hood nigga shit. Well, not really water, but whatever. Anyway. Anyway, y'all, we're gonna camp with the guys. I said camp. We're going fishing with the guys, and that's it. I'm gonna see if they want to go camping. Y'all, when I do my camping vlog, y'all gonna be like, what? I'm still debating if I want to go. I need to pull some strings before I go, so we're gonna do that. Yeah. I don't know. Daydreaming. Let me get off here. Okay, guys, so we have Five Below. Say hey. This is the expert I was telling you about. Just little disclaimer, he's not a fucking expert. He don't know what the fuck he doing. This is whatever. It's always a black Negro. Oh, look at him holding the door for me, guys. Hey.
I'm gonna try to get on that too.
You might need the hand pump, so I'm gonna use the hand pump. They don't have them? You guys don't have them here? You didn't get them? The other Five Below had them. Oh.
We went to the wrong one. We went to the
Well, guys,
which one? The Walmart?
we can, I guess. I got the. Do you think we need the pump though? If we get it from Walmart?
That probably come with us.
Think so? All right, guys. So I'm gonna see it. He looks so crazy. Oh, Victor, you actually did this?
This is why you can't take females in the store. Because you come here looking for one thing and then you go looking for other stuff. That's why you can't take
You want
females
my business?
in the store.
Is that it? No, that's for the car.
You're supposed to be looking for a full inflatable boat. And they
Inflatable.
told us
You
it's
just
not
said we
here.
supposed. You just said we supposed to be looking for a full inflatable
I said
boat.
pool.
A pool
Pool.
inflatable boat. That shit still don't make no sense.
See, I need my blunt, bro.
Thinking about me, just come here and get me a little. If you ever think about me, just come here and get me something, okay?
That's all, y'all. Show the little, y'all. Look. If you want to win Bora Heart, that's all you got to do. Look. $5 and get to win her heart.
Not like that. I was for $5. $5.55. This is what you need for your date.
No. Stop.
And they not sponsoring me, y'all. This is free promo. So.
What the hell it ain't?
All right, I'm coming. You my camera. You don't know what you're doing.
Hey, nah, though. I'm suited up, though.
All right, y'all. We gotta go to I need to see this video because I don't think he did a good job
We're going to
recording.
Walmart. We're finna go to the fish.
We're finna go to Walmart and see if they got it. If they don't got it, then we gonna go fishing, okay? It's actually nice outside. It's not too hot. It's like perfect, right? What?
It's hot.
No, it was hot as fuck yesterday. Like coochie drenched stank.
Your video, your be long and you rated off.
Damn, I got a minute left, y'all. I should have brought my other SD card. But when we get to this section, I'll be back.
Love song. Love song. Love song. Hit good. Got me feel like I'm on one of the planes. Did the thug.
Niggas with money would say something like that. Wendy's and they trying to get them out of a job. They got these automatic answering machines. What's that? Steak and Shake. What we get from Walmart? We got chairs and weights. So now we finna go find somewhere to go fish at. We finna go find somewhere to fish at, and y'all just bear with us because we is beginners at this. Right?
Huh?
Right? I told them we beginners.
Ain't no motherfucking beginner. She a beginner. I'm sure y'all a beginner.
The camera make you look good. Heard me? Camera make you look good.
Boy, real good.
Not too much, bro. Not too fucking much on yourself. Yo, he finally brought me something.
After she finally brought me something.
You a damn lie. I used to always buy you food.
I used to always, what?
I always used to buy you
my,
food, bro.
So you had that white car, your first, what you
I
said?
did buy you food.
And it went vice versa?
It was.
Okay.
What you gonna say? She finally brought me something. I always buy you stuff. Shut up. Little ugly. I had to buy. Yo, I had the trick first. This was a hard one. Chicken with ketchup, yo. That's gotta be some trap shit. Trap niggas put ketchup on anything because that's the only condiment they can come in around.
And Bob. And hot sauce. Get the hot sauce.
Whatever, y'all. We'll be back when we find a spot to go set up.
Be right back. We on lunch break. Be right back.
This nigga said
Be
we
right
on
back
lunch
when I
break.
catch this big ass shark.
Shit, all the fishes in the water bigger than him, y'all. This nigga, but so big. He probably about the same size as my mic.
Oh, yeah, she is such a hater. I promise you. Such a hater. The biggest one I know. She's my #1 fan.
He mad because his ankles can't hold up his socks.
#1 fan.
Bye. Okay, guys. We is at our destination. But we was at destination #1. So we finna set all this stuff up. I don't know what he doing back there. Y'all see him? Whatever. But we finna set this shit up and rock out. We got the ducks. We gonna got an afro. Okay, guys. So he getting this shit together. What you doing? Tell him what you doing.
Pan dinner. Putting the weight on, setting it up. Then y'all with the fisherman right.
Damn, this sun. It's not even sun outside. This shit just hitting me so good. Like, y'all want to bite me through the camera, right? I want to bite myself. Catch me, finna catch somebody's mom out in this bitch. We finna catch a mother. Yeah, I'm about to show y'all my little skirm or whatever. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm not even in the camera. I'm doing so good. Oh, look at this man. I said we going fishing. He thought we was really getting in.
It's dangerous.
My shit gonna,
Look.
I
Don't.
had to test it. Alright, let me get back. What y'all think I knew on the hook? Alright, y'all. Wait, watch out my line. Step up. There you go. Step over it. Alright. BRB.
Got a little bass.
See, guys? This shit is easy. I did this. No effort.
Yeah, that bitch is last moment.
Woo!
Like a tilapia.
I just did. You put him in the net
These good in the bitch too.
to eat?
Yeah.
How you feel about that? Look at the colors on here, y'all.
The bass can't talk fast like that.
Man, I know that shit hurt me.
Y'all want some?
Okay, guys, so I'm finna teach these young men how to fish. Because they don't know what the fuck they doing. Okay, guys, so clearly we're going to another spot because I done caught everything here. So I don't know where the fuck we going now, but whatever. Say hey, y'all.
Ain't nobody bought one that's fucking with my food.
We're going to a new spot. I don't know where we're going.
Right. And what's better than a gun that folds
So,
up and fit in your pocket?
see y'all when we get there. All right, guys. I don't know where the fuck we at, but we finna get this shit. Bro. They out here catching shit, and I'm out here just acting like I'm catching this shit. What you catch?
About 10 pounds.
You threw them back already? You threw them away? Tell the people what you finna catch. Some bluegill. How big is
I gotta
that?
look at the camera so you can see.
Yeah.
I'm trying to go for the biggest rod I can get.
All right.
I'm gonna eat everything.
What? You want something?
Look,
I'm looking. I don't know what I'm looking at.
the barber. That's what that rod.
No.
It shows when the fish is hitting your line. Or hitting the fish.
Like shit. We're gonna come back and check in on you, alright? Let's go. Struggling trying to catch some shit.
What that?
Was it bigger than you? Yeah.
It's bigger than me. 2 times me.
2 times you?
2 times me.
I'm gonna fill you in. You gotta leave me in here. I'm trying to show y'all the shit that I got. Rusty's.
Yeah, all this is by bar. You picked it all out.
Yeah. I told you I taught them how to fish.
She told me a little something. She ain't keep me hurt. Just a little.
Yeah, I taught them how to put it on there, right?
How you do it? This is exactly how you do it. Perfect weight. By bar. I'm already gonna show you. Like a 3 pounder down.
5. 5 without. 5 without the thing.
But you're ready to catch up. If it ain't 10 or better, what I'm doing?
This the best $11 you ever spent in your life.
Hey, if it ain't the thing.
Yo, I'm finna try.
You know what, Dion, you want $11 to get you?
You heard me?
Some pussy.
A hotel room to get the pussy.
Huh?
A hotel room to get the pussy.
Oh, the hotel.
Hell nah.
Yes, sir. Come with stripper
$11
pole,
to get the room?
jacuzzi tub, and motherfucking
Not $11
condoms.
our money.
Yes, boy, $12.
$11
$11, boy. To get you a room. They come with a stripper pole, jacuzzi tub, and condoms.
Damn. What is it?
And the whole got their fucking kid already ready to go.
That thing ready to say now. Handicap, bitch. I'm gonna cut my finger off this morning washing the dishes.
Hey,
Oh, he right there in my face.
Big boy.
that was at least 3.
Got him.
At least 3. What?
I got him.
Got you laughing, boy. I know them
like that
flashes,
one.
boy.
Now, I know them niggas ain't finna grab nothing,
I
dude.
don't like
That bitch, that was
one.
at least 3, boy.
I like that one. Watch it.
Bluegill, F.A. Be the bluegill.
Yeah, I'm out here fishing with the bros, bottom of those.
They was eating red right here.
Alright.
Hey,
Hey,
put that net on their ass.
call me off your band, Tony, so we can park. So what you doing? I know this bitch.
Hey, man, we need a bluegill, man. Go to the spot real quick before the
Hey,
sun
come
go down.
on. Hey, let me try it, bro. You get back in the water. Go to the other
Huh? I don't know how to do that shit. I don't know how to throw no cast net, nigga. Can't throw the cast net. I said, I don't know how to throw no cast net.
Ain't no more word?
I thought there was another one. Container. Ain't there another container? It ain't none, and there's another container though.
I see another container.
Oh, Hefe got it.
One you fucked up.
You heard? Somebody fishing.
You see the color difference of the water
That's
too,
my
Hefe?
first time.
Oh, what is that?
He catching seaweed.
They're coming out of over there with her fed. I just thought I was trying to tell you to get in the whole time.
No, I've been trying to get.
Oh! How you feel? How I feel, huh?
He busting like a big old mat.
Man, cat flip that bitch, man.
Put it on, cool, that'd be 2 o'clock. You bad like that, dude? Yeah, turn the water up. What I'm doing, man? First time I use another baby food.
Not too much.
A little partner, they did. Oh! No, you don't. Oh, you don't.
Last one just came right out that bitch out of nowhere.
Not too much on my shit. I'm trying to figure out what he got. He got the whole damn fucking bikini bottom.
What, you got Squidward house?
For real?
Man, let the bird get your bread. Oh no. Damn. Let the bird get your bread. Oh no. Man. Huh? You done let the birds. The birds got a hold of the bro. God. That's something to sit down so decent.
How's it going so far?
Going good.
Good? Good. How's it going so far?
You know, we've been out here for a couple hours, and you know, it could be better, but you know, the fella's still holding on. You know, this is about patience, you know.
Okay.
It's virtual.
That's it.
That's it. Got that baby too.
So far, shit fucked up. It get great a little.
What happened to your hook?
It get great a little. She, I was fighting with little trees and shit. They want to put up a little fight, you know. I ain't no quitter though. That's one thing about me. I ain't no quitter.
Type
Yeah,
shit.
motivational purposes only anyway. So let's get it.
So far.
I ain't calling that 3 hours.
Yeah. What about you?
Shit, the bottom keep getting me, but
You trying to fish for Squidward and shit.
I'm trying to get SpongeBob, but
I
I'm
see.
gonna get my fish. I'm gonna get my fish.
I feel like you in the lead right now.
Who that, me?
Yeah.
Yeah, he all pro though. He come out here every Sunday, you know what I'm saying? It's about a year since I've been out here. You did all pro.
I'm all pro in the year.
Him and Hefe all pro, they always come out here. I'm just getting back in the groove right now.
Oh.
With the bros.
Huh?
Guys, I'm gonna be honest, I ain't catch a fuck thing yet. I ain't even gonna lie, I ain't catch shit. Everything I did catch got away. If it was something on there. Other than that, it's a nice day outside. Look at the sun.
I was riding yesterday and fishing today.
Boy,
I know.
try it, man. What you look? I gotta go back to Mocha.
Mocha said, boy.
I mean, this is Mocha.
Hefe. Hefe.
Oh, shit.
Let's see what it look like with these two. What these two look.
Yo, I'm gonna be back when
Tell him, man.
Check them here like for hours.
In about an hour, we're gonna give it an hour, y'all.
30 minutes. Give it 30 minutes.
I just gotta get my pole all the way right.
Check on me in 30 minutes.
No. Before we check back in
Oh, yeah,
with the
check back
with the
in in 5
vlog.
minutes, man.
Hey.
Find something in there.
Sun go down.
Yo, they got us on some shit. Got it?
That's why I said cut that fish up. Somebody cut that fish.
Here, let me cut it.
Huh?
Let me cut it.
I want the tail part real quick. Let me throw it out for about 10 minutes.
Ooh, this shit. Damn.
Damn,
Yo, I'm finna cut this fish up.
Cut the other one up.
Oh, you did go catch him one, but that one. You gotta make sure that bitch don't get off of there.
Man, he trying to catch a fish that his pole is gonna break fat. I got a 30
No, you gotta go up under that, boy.
This nigga got a whole fish on this shit, boy. Hey, hold on, man. What a case for? What? No, I didn't. You ready this bitch enough?
Go right on.
Oh, bitch, it's so water.
That's what we.
Oh, she going in, y'all.
He's being this bitch.
Let me get that part right there.
Woo, fuck a nigga.
I'm serving
Put that on the
fish,
blog.
baby. About to. I need to sit this somewhere. I ain't bring my steam.
Okay, I hear a piece right there.
One other piece?
Look. That post right there. You see it something? Yeah. Damn, look, y'all. I don't fucking know, but it was bigger than me. Y'all playing.
That bitch was bigger than me.
I don't feel like bitch. I might go out tonight, boy. The fishing got me in the mood, bitch. Rod, what you say, Rod? We ain't leave tonight.
You know, I don't give a damn. Oh, wait, I gotta give him a baby.
Shit, we got babysitters.
He's down so right.
He'll need a piece.
Oh, who that bit off? What's wrong with your pole, Hefe?
Ain't going nowhere.
Ain't got no weight on
My God, did? Atomic bomb just went off out that bitch. Boom!
Get on the damn fish.
But a lot of see big fish, aggressive fish like that. You feel me? They trying to come see what that was.
Nah, Pacers won.
Yep.
Whoa, I thought the Knicks was gonna win. Damn.
I could have told you that.
Man,
Nah, no, you couldn't. The way that shit was going.
What? That shit, it don't matter level. Oh, damn, my bad. That much. See, look, that's that weak ass current. That been pushing the fish. That been pushing the fish way down there. Look, the fish way down there.
Don't cross.
Oh, I got a bite, y'all. Look at my pole. Look at my line. Oh, it's the current. That's dope. Alright.
Yeah, I think that was the current.
I was born at night, but not last night. Miss Chef, you feel like putting this in my thing?
You want to keep the head?
Yeah.
Put it
Straight
halfway
down the
down.
middle.
That look cute.
That's the beauty.
Oh, they got a nice little dock right there, boy.
Man, you should have cut this in half. Yeah, good.
This one?
I think that's a bite for real. Though. Y'all playing.
Who shit, yours?
Yeah, that ain't.
You ever caught somebody before?
Really been spot.
Yo, this shit stinks, like really bad.
Chef Boy ID.
Yo, this shit smells so crazy.
Get too hyped up, man. You see the nigga about to get oh shit, you did. What? Man, it do look like something got your
That's
shit,
the
boy.
current. I think that's the current.
Oh yeah, I forgot about the current.
Think about it, bro. This salt water. They gonna
You
bend
need to
that
put
pole.
3 weights on your shit, bro. Or 2 of them bitches.
They
You
gonna
see
bend
my
that
shit
pole,
still
dude.
right here, bro.
That's what just got me when I just screamed. Y'all told me to stop playing that.
Oh
fool.
shit, I see what it is. Back up, move.
Okay.
Can't even see them bitches. Hold on.
They were just coming out. You came and fucked with them. You gotta find a little holes they was in.
Who's gonna roll?
Let me see.
Who's gonna roll it?
Let me see it in the camera. That shit stinks. That's a crab.
Hey, which one of y'all want to catch a baby sheephead?
Hey, get that pole, man.
Small little bit.
Get y'all pole, y'all. I've been broke. Tell me, y'all.
I got good ass eyes for shit.
I get that though. The gang right here though. That boy, this right here was shrimp and shit, yo. We call it freshwater fish. We need a bait out here.
We gon' handle the business like man.
Hoping we catch something.
Any day, to the spot, drop a sand in the pocket. Your boy 60 minutes. We can't in and not get the shit on the way back to back on the lake. Keep on calling me.
Real saltwater bait.
Get out my way.
Man, I just seen one on over there, man. I'm telling you, man.
Watch out.
Y'all better watch out. Shit. Okay, guys, so I don't know where the fuck we at. We on somebody's highway. Like, we literally pulled over on the highway and came out this bitch. But I'm finna end this shit out. Let me go up here. Yo, I'm finna end this. Yo, I just cut some fish up. I caught some fish. I threw some fish. I learned a lot of shit today in my vlog. I'm finna get ready to go to work in a little bit. So, if y'all like videos like this normal vlogs and shit like that, let me know in the comments. Alright? Like, comment, subscribe, and motherfucker, we out.
I don't even fuck with niggas, I just rather chase a check. Man, this shit so crazy, see my idol with a fake protect. I just sent my bitch to Bora Bora, cost me 80 racks. I know one bitch asked me for a flight, but she ain't 80 yet. I'ma hit that road and try to jam it till I make it.